Hello, Pretty Geek family, and welcome to another StitchFix unboxing. I kept thinking I was going to give these a title, and then I started thinking I would definitely forget. So I was actually practicing because I have social anxiety, and I was like, wow, welcome to, what did I even say? Fix or Flop? And I was like, that is so cute. Welcome to Fix or Flop. And then I was like, I will immediately forget the name or I will start saying it wrong because that's what happens every time. So let's just do an unboxing, okay? I feel like I look a little disheveled for y'all today, but I had an appointment and I was running around like a mad person doing chores and cleaning my house, and it looks a mess horrifically. So I was like cute-ish, and I even had like a big cushy like pink sweater on. I was so hot. It was so hot. So bag. Here is our info, and I wonder if this is the same person, because I said same person or different, and it is the same person. So we got Trisha again, I believe. Yeah, so we'll see what she has to say in a hot minute. We talked about how a lot of pieces didn't fit, and then we kind of specified what I was looking for. Maybe I should actually read that a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Happy Fix Day. Thank you for all the great feedback. I leave a lot of feedback. I am a talker. Shocker. I know. Sorry they didn't work out for you. Let's note. All right, so I did note that I wanted darker, more woodsy colors and chic put together looks for work and weekend. So we're going with Liverpool dark wash skinny jeans. I hope they're not that same brand. I've gotten that brand so many times from so many different stylists, and it doesn't work for me, but we'll see. We'll see. Elastic waistband. Let's check it out. Let's see. A basic white t-shirt. That's what I'm wearing right now. Dark pink cardigan, navy knit dress, denim jacket. I wonder if that's included. All right. Sometimes they talk about items that aren't in the box, so let's see. Ooh. Ooh. It looks like my colors this time. Oh, I'm excited. I did update my sizing last time, because remember, this is the stylist that had a lot of the itchy clothing, which drove me batty. I cannot deal. I did specifically say no low necks again, and the first item on top is a neck. So we'll see it on. That's fine. And I asked for the shorter cut on the legs, like y'all said, because I've never had that issue with clothing before, but I've also never been this size before. So maybe that's what I'm working with now. So I asked for a shorter length and some changes in the belly region, especially to keep things up, that I want dark forest tones and muted pastels. I say this every time. All my stylists know this. That is my aesthetic. That's my thing. Let's get started. It is a really beautiful print. I don't think it's going to be too super low. It does look really pretty. It is Brina and M. The Lemmy V-neck top in mustard. And this is a size medium. So it has a little bitty button sleeve. Super cute. I really like the color, and I like the daintiness of this one's floral. And it seems to be a good length. I'm excited to try this one on. And we have totally gotten this dress already, haven't we? French gray, yeah. With the cute sleeve, yeah. Oh my word, we totally have. The Murphy brush knit dress in navy in a size large. I think we've totally tried this exact dress on. Okay. Oh, sweater. This is really cool. This has a really neat zipper detail. Not certain how I'm gonna zip it myself, but that's pretty cool. So Definitely not for wearing when pleurisy going on. The sleeves look a little short, but maybe it's just perspective. We'll see. It is so soft. So soft. There's a super slight heathering. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so soft. Really excited to try that on. And it is Market and Spruce Melly Zipper Back Ribbed Pullover. Really excited for that. And oh, this is the dark pink. Oh, that's a cool detail. That lace up. Like, I don't know if that's like a little feminine or a little naughty. That's cute. A very dark pink. And it is by the brand Pink, the one with the Q. Dymo Pointel Back Detail Cardigan, dark pink medium. And so far it feels soft on the inside. It has the little, I don't know what they're called, because it's like a semi-unfinished. It's like what unfinished is for knits. So as you wash it, it will actually continue to roll a little bit until it gets to that stopping point, which is really neat. Totally cool with that. And of course the shawl type collar. It does look a lot more loosey-goosey, and it is so long. And I'm excited. I am excited. I love cardigans so gosh darn much. All right, and then these ones are the skinny pants. Oh, they are different. Awesome. Okay, cool. So the Liverpool is actually the brand. They are a 1231. So we will see. They look a little big, because sometimes with the elastic type waist, they fit closer to maternity, and I'm like a 6, sometimes a 6'8". Yeah. In most maternity bottoms and tops, actually. Yeah, I think I used to be closer to like that 4 area, but I am definitely occasionally an 8. So we'll give them a try. I don't know why I almost put that on my head. They look like they have a beautiful wash. I love a dark wash. I'm not a big fan of whiskering. I prefer my jeans to get worn out as I wear them, really. But they've got a good, like, all over stretch. Yeah, I'm excited to try these ones on. You really rock that. That looks a lot closer to my style. So we're going to do try on, and I'm going to try to do the prices as I do the try on. And the last time it was all cattywampus. So I'm going to go do that. The jeans fit! Okay, at first I was like, oh, they seem a little baggy here and there. But no, pull them up. Look at that. Oh, yeah. They've got like that tightness where there's still a little bit of room. I don't know if it's like a little baggy around the knees, but I don't think a bad amount. I think sizing down will be too much. Though there's room to stretch, I think I would spill over the top. But back pockets functional, front pockets are fake. Oh, they're so comfy though. I am so comfortable. I'm so comfortable. Oh, I love it. Okay. I like these a lot, and I'm going to keep them on now. Okay. After a brief intermission to put a real bra on. It doesn't feel good. It was a little tough to put on. It is pulling here a lot, so it keeps riding up, like in the back type area as well. If I pull this, as soon as I move, the sleeves feel just a little bit too short. Like, they're not bad. I think they look pretty cute rolled, but I don't feel awesome in it, and it does ride up on my belly quite a bit. So I think that these, great color, cute print. The V-neck wasn't so bad, but I think that has a lot to do with the fact that it keeps pulling up, and it's actually drooping in the back because it just keeps, yeah, like that. It keeps pulling that way. So, not for me. And I already forgot. This top is $38. The jeans are $78. That makes me sad because I love these jeans. I might have to splurge, but I don't know yet. Let's keep going. All right. And it is just as soft on. The sleeves, again, are a little on the short side, but not terrible. It's good on the back. It lays really nice. I actually didn't undo the zipper, and it went on just fine. Neckline has plenty of stretch. Excuse me, gracious. Yeah, and it's a really great basic sweater. However, it is $68 for this quite basic sweater. If you need a green sweater, it's a really great choice. If you want a really soft sweater, it's a really great choice. If you have a lot of credit, it's a really great choice. That's a lot of dollars. So I think I'm gonna be like, hey, exactly that, even maybe minus the cute zipper detail. Love the softness, love the color. I would like some more arm length, and not a $70 shirt. Okay, so here is the navy dress again, or for the first time if you're new here. Hello. I'm pretty sure if I got this one more time, I would actually just buy it. But I'm not certain about it. I do love the arms. It is a cute length. It's a really, really cute length. And since I've started losing a bit of weight, it is fitting better here. So it's cute, you know? That's with my hands raised. So it is springy, it's pretty comfortable. If I raise my arms too much, it does zoop under my boobs. I forgot about that. And then it kind of just stays there in booby land. And I like to downplay my boobies as much as possible most of the time. And, oh, and this is $48 for this prime specimen of a dress, which is honestly, I think, a great deal. It is really soft. You have to really stretch it to even see light through it. It is light on the other side, but it's overall, it's comfortable. There's plenty of room in here, so if you have broader shoulders, it would fit really well. All in all, it's pretty comfy. I'm not a super big fan of this elastic waist because it is a slight bit itchy, but not terrible. Not terrible at all. All right, the naughty ballerina cardigan. I thought this was gonna be my favorite, but then I put on jeans that I actually liked. Whoa. Ooh, I hate when the tags are at the back of the neck and it's itchy. Okay, down again. That's cute. That would be totally cute together too. Oh, I can see us wearing this outfit actually. I like that. Right? That's cute. Maybe with a belt. I don't know if belts are in or lame, but sometimes I wear belts when things have a weird waistline to really just keep them in check. Plus it gives a little zhuzh. But that's cute. What do you think would look better, like tights or tall socks? I always kind of go back and forth between them, and sometimes I layer them. But yeah, I could see like sitting in my classroom in this. It's really cozy, soft. It feels very blanket-like. I am roasting now. Roasting. It is so very warm. It shows a little bit of detail, but the texture detail is gorgeous. It has pretty apparent seams, but I don't think it detracts from it. Let's see. And it is $46. I think it works really, really well together. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot else to say about it. I think it works really nice. So let's do the final price breakdown. So the final recap. The stylist pick subtotal is $278 with the buy it all discount, which is where you buy all 5 items and get 25% off, is $69.50. So the order subtotal is $208.50, which I think is pretty awesome, honestly. Fortunately, I put a budget on myself for this box, and I can't keep everything I want, which is a bummer. I think I'll make a note that I really like the dark pink sweater. I think it works beautifully with the dress, and I think they would look really nice together. So I'm gonna make a note and see if I can get them in the future, or something similar to that maybe answers a few of those questions. And I think the sweater looks really nice. So if I got the dress, I would want the sweater, I think. Yeah. But I'm getting the pants. I love the pants. I'm excited for the pants. And I did not like the mustard. I didn't like the mustard top at all. The way that it fit and made me feel just wasn't for me. And the green shirt was cute, but expensive. Really expensive. Like it was really nice quality, but I don't think it was $70 worthwhile, which if you're on a different budget stream than me, might make sense for you. So if you like it, go for it. It's gorgeous, great quality, super cozy. And that's all I have for you all. Okay? Yeah. Have a great day, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.